In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock on Venmo. First, if you're looking for an interface tutorial, like inside the program tutorial, this is not going to be the video for it. I truly apologize. So all you need to do, of course, is simply log in into your account. If you have one, if you don't, you will need to go and create an account. But when you are in this video, that means you probably have an account and you blocked someone and you trying to unblock that person. So as you can see in here they will show you how to block it. So basically you can block like other Venmo users in the Venmo app. You can go to the profile page and tap on three dots and tap on block. And of course, if you log out and log in again, the other user will be blocked. And of course, blocked users cannot send each other payments or requests, view or comment on each other future payments, and find each other on search or interact with each other profiles. And that's what we want. You can always unblock users in the privacy section of the settings menu. So basically, how to unblock someone is simply by going to the settings menu, which you will find in your Venmo. Just go to the settings, then go to privacy section, and you will find an unblock button right there. So as an example, just type here unblock. Let's just see if they'll provide. So there's no unblocking, but it's fine. I guess another article here that shows like this one as an example, and it will probably show you like exactly if you want to see the visual. So how to block, how to unblock. So as we said, three dots, settings, privacy, tap to block users and select a user, then tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner to bring up the menu, then type unblock twice to confirm. That's basically it. Okay, they don't provide visuals for you, but it's very simple. You can just follow it by the steps right here. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.